If anything is payable, balance sheet liability. If anything is receivable, balance sheet asset. Depreciation, as you know, you have to go back to your motor car on that percentage. They will give you amount or percentage. Any one they will give you. This is a maximum adjustment you can expect in your final account. Hello everyone, I am your Adarsh sir, lecturer in Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Almost we are end of this topic, financial statement. Now, we will do one more problem that is related to your financial statement too. If you do 5 or 6 problems, each problem you may get 1 or 2 new adjustment. So this will be your today's session problem. Prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet of measures. M bar S stands for measures. Shiny from the following particulars. You have account title. These are the debit column. These are the credit column. Instead of particular, they have given name called account title and account title. Now, so before we start our problem, what is the first work we have to do? Yes, we have to mark each and everything. As I told you, in your examination, this is not allowed. But until you learn final accounts, you have to practice this. Clear? Yes. Now, sundry debtors. So it will come where? Balance sheet asset. Balance sheet asset. Bad debts, it will be what? P&L debit. Profit and loss account debit side. Printing and stationery, profit and loss account debit side. Profit and loss account debit side. Freight, what do you mean by printing and stationery? Printing and stationery means if you buy any stationery items like sheets, pen, pencil, eraser, all comes under printing and stationery. Then freight. Freight comes under where? Trading account debit side. Freight is what? Direct expenses. Then sales return minus from sales. Motor car. It is what? It is a asset. So balance sheet asset. Opening stock is your beginning. So it will be what? Trading account debit side. Trading account debit side. Don't be in bias or in confusion that the stock, if opening word is not given, they have given only stock. So should I go with the opening or closing? The answer is very simple. In the table, if you find stock, that is opening stock. In the adjustment, if you find stock, that is closing stock. Closing stock will be valued at the end of the year. That's why closing stock cannot come under this trial balance. Hope you're clear. Any closing balances always comes under adjustment. It will not come under your trial balance. That's why whatever stock given in the table, remember this is opening stock. Now, furniture and fixtures, it is balance sheet asset. Purchases, what do you mean by fixtures? Like furniture, you know that the table, chair, everything we consider as furniture. Fixture is more, means what? Very simple example. If you want to fix AC to the wall, there is a fixture is there. There is a stand is there. That we call it as fixture. If you want to assemble tube light, for tube light there is a clamp as well as to hold the light there is a stand. That stand we call it as fixtures. For example, the fan. Fan is a furniture. To hold fan, something is fixed there. That is called fixture. Hope you understood what is furniture and what is fixture. Now, cash in hand, it is what? Balance sheet asset. Investment, as I told you, this is balance sheet asset. Drawings, always remember from the capital you have to minus. Drawing means what? You have invested 1 lakh. Out of 1 lakh, for your personal use, you have taken 10,000. That 10,000 we call it as drawing. For example, same 10,000 you have taken for business purpose. That is not drawing. Remember, same 10,000 you have taken for business purpose. That is not drawing. If the 10,000 you have taken for your daughter's school fees or your own vehicle fuel charges, or else you have gone to some Goa or somewhere, there you spend 10,000 on for your family. Those things we consider as personal. Other than business purpose, whatever expenses you make, that we call it as personal expenses. All personal expenses in accounting term we call it as drawings. Now, drawings is in capital you have to minus. Next, purchases, as you know, this is trading account debit side. Purchases comes under trading account debit side. Hope you are clear with these concepts. Now, we'll come to credit side. In credit side, what do you have? Bills payable. As I told you, if anything is payable, balance sheet liability. If anything is receivable, balance sheet asset. Now, bills payable, balance sheet liability. Sundry creditors. Creditors means balance sheet liability. Return outward. Remember, if it is written inward, that is a sales return. Inward, inside. Return outward means it is going out. Your materials are going out. Return outward. Outward means it is a purchase return. Now, in purchases, you have to minus. It is not profit and loss account. It is in purchases you have to minus. Now, capital, as you know, it is a balance sheet liability. Sales, simple. It is a trading account, credit side. Discount received. Discount comes under what? P&L. Received means debit side or credit side? Credit side. Why? Because the amount is in credit side. Now, discount received, P&L, credit. Interest received, same procedure. What you did for discount received, same thing we'll do it for your interest received also. Now, this will be P&L credit side. So, these and all your information. Before doing problem, please make a note of this. Why? Because you will be familiar with everything. Motor car, furniture, it is asset. Sales, return, you should minus from sales. Freight, it is a direct expenses, trading account. Printing and stationery, it is a profit and loss account, debit side. So, final accounts is one of the most important topic. Why? Because in first PU, you will learn final accounts. Second PU, again, you have final accounts. If you go for BCom or BBA, in the first sem itself, you will get final accounts. If you go to third sem, corporate accounting, in BCom or BBA, again you will work out final accounts. If you go for MCom or MBA, again you will do final accounts. So, final accounts is the most important topic for your commerce career. If you go for any CA, CS, CMA, earlier it was ICWAI, now it is what? CMA, Cost Management Accountant. For everything you need final account. So, very important. Along with that, you will learn what is return, what is freight, what is printing, what is bad debts. Each and every word you will learn with the help of final accounts. So, if you find, sir, what is drawings, what is investment, what is opening stock, please go back to session 1, session 2, session 3 of your final accounts financial statement 2. Why? Because I explained each and everything with examples so that you will understand better. Please go back to session 1, session 2, session 3 so that you will understand better. So, because while doing problem, I will not explain what is capital, what is written outward. You may feel that, so how to consider it as an income, it is an expenditure. For that, you should go back to session 1, 2 and 3 for the better understanding. Now, you have adjustments for this. What are the adjustments you have? You have closing stock. As I told you, closing stock always two effects. For the bad debts 1000, provision for bad debts 5%. This is very important. First time you got this adjustment, almost we have done 8 to 9 problems, but in that those 9 problems, you did not get this adjustment. Today we will concentrate on your B, adjustment B. For the budgets 1000 and provision is 5%. This thing we will learn today. Now, depreciation on motor car, it is simple. Accrued interest. Accrued means receivable. Remember, write down there itself. Accrued means what? Yes, accrued means receivable. Now, accrued interest on investment, it is 2000. Next, provide interest on capital 5%. So, whatever capital you do, you should add 5% interest. This is also new adjustment, important. Wherever I mention important, why? Because in the previous 8 to 9 problems, we did not work out your adjustment B and adjustment E. These are the new adjustment you will learn in today's session. Now, so I will not take much time for your trading account. Why? Because it is a similar. Just you have to remember, you have to mention debit and you have to mention credit. You have the answer. Please work out at your home. Now, so remember, you should write 2 here and you should write buy. Now, opening stock purchases minus return, you know everything. You have freight also, and your credit side you will get sales and closing stock. Where do you get closing stock? Yes, you will get from adjustment. Now, add everything. You got 1,50,000, 1,50,000. From 1,50,000, if you minus everything, you got 52,000 as gross profit. Hope you are clear with this. What is your gross profit? 52,000. Gross profit will be what? Yes, this will be transferred as gross profit brought down. Clear? Now, you got gross profit. Once if it is done, what is the next step? Yes, the next step is profit and loss account. Now, in this profit and loss account, few things I need to explain. Rest of the things are same as it is. The old are repeated things I will not explain you. The new two adjustments I'll explain you. You know, in this you have to mention buy and you have to mention to everywhere. Everywhere it is buy. Once if it is done, gross profit, you know that. Discount received, it is given in the question itself. Interest received also given. Clear? Now, for bad debts, we'll come back later. First, finish it up, the repeated things. Now, printing and stationery, copy paste. Depreciation, as you know, you have to go back to your motor car on that percentage. Furniture, similar. Go back to your furniture value. Just I'll show you. What is a furniture? As per the adjustment, motor car 10%, furniture 5%. Go back to your question. So in this motor car, how much you have? 20,000. On 20,000 percentage. Furniture, how much you have? 15,000. On 15,000, what is the percentage for furniture? 5%. So we calculated 15,000 into 5%. Simple. Then one more adjustment is provide interest on capital 5%. What is the capital value? Go back to your question. Your capital is 1 lakh. On 1 lakh, what is the percentage? 5%. So On capital 1 lakh, if you calculate 5%, you get 5,000. Clear? These and all old thing. Same thing we have repeated. Now we'll come back to your bad debts. What is the actual calculation for bad debts? I'll go back to your question. Whatever I'm writing with the blue color, it is all about your bad debts. Remember, in this, do you have anywhere bad debts? Yes. You have bad debts of 2000. That is the first one. Right? Bad debts 2000. Clear? Any doubt? No. Come back to your adjustment. In this, there is nothing, no information about bad debts. Only we have one bad debts. We have taken that 2000. Clear? Yes. Now come to adjustment. Further bad debts, extra. Further means extra. Further bad debts of rupees 1000. Take that 1000 also. Further bad debts 1000. Clear? Any doubt? No. This 2000 you have taken from trial balance table. This 1000 you have taken from adjustment 1000. Total how much now? 2000 plus 1000 you have 3000. Clear? Yes. Come back to adjustment. Further bad debts 1000. Make a provision for bad debts at 5% on debtors. On debtors how much we should calculate? 5%. One more. Now come back to your question. Yes, sundry debtors is 21,000. Sundry debtors is how much? 21,000. What is the percentage they have given? Further bad debts 1000. Make a provision for bad debts at 5%. What is the percentage? 5%. On what value? Yes, on 21,000, 5%. Before that, out of 21,000, already they have taken 1,000. 21 minus 1, how much? 20. Remember, in your adjustment, if they have given amount also, if they have given percentage also, again I'll repeat, if they have given amount also, if they have given percentage also, then you should minus amount before calculating percentage. Again I'll repeat, very important. In normally what happens, they will give you amount or percentage, any one they will give you, but in this problem they have given amount as well as percentage. Take this 1000 amount. While calculating this percentage, you have to minus this 1000. You have to minus that 1000. I'll show you how. What is your debtors price? 21,000. What is the percentage? 5%. How much taken already? 1,000. Come back to answer. Out of 21, already I have taken 1. What is the value? 20. On 20,000, calculate 5%. You will get 1,000. Clear? This is not the old 1,000. This is 21,000 minus 1,000. You got 20,000. On 20,000, if you calculate 5%, you will get 1,000. Clear? Yes. Very good. Now, as per bad debts 2000, see we have taken 2000. As per adjustment 1000, see we have taken 1000. As per percentage, we got 1000, taken 1000. 2000 plus 1000 plus 1000, total it is 4000. This is a maximum adjustment you can expect in your final accounts. There is a maximum adjustment you can expect in your final accounts. Clear? Yes. So add everything, you got your 4000 answer. So rest of the things are same to same. Now come to credit side. Accrued interest on investment, it is already given in the question. Accrued interest on investment is 2000. So we have taken 2000 on the credit side. Clear? Yes. Now total both the sides. Your credit side you got 63,000. From 63 if you minus everything you get 47,250. That will be your net profit. Hope you're clear. Yeah. Please take screenshot and please work out this today itself. If you do it tomorrow means whatever I explained you, you will forget. Then again you have to see my face for half an hour. Clear? Better finish it up today itself. Or else again you need to open the video. Again you need to understand. Instead of that, once you see properly, once you watch properly, on next hour itself, you have to work out this problem. Once it is done, the next step will be your balance sheet. Balance sheet is very simple. Your capital plus profit plus interest, you got 1,52,250. Now, less drawings, you got 142,250. Where you got the interest? Wait. Provide interest on capital 5%. What is your capital? 1 lakh. On that 5% means how much? 5,000. So that 5,000 we added. Interest means add. Profit means add. Loss means minus. Drawing means minus. Clear. Now, bills payable, creditor, same. Copy paste. This side. That this shall come later. Motor car minus depreciation. Furniture and fixture minus depreciation. How much you will get? 20,000 minus 2,000, it is 18,000. Furniture and fixture, we will write 15,000 minus 750, you got 14,250. Cash in hand, usually will not get any adjustment. It is 7,000. Investment 80,000. Closing stock, it is 30,000. Accrued interest on investment, you know that. As I told you, whatever comes in the adjustment always double effect. So accrued interest on investment, it is 2,000. So that 2,000 we have taken. See, the 2,000 we have taken. The total is 170,250. 170,250. Clear? I'll go back to your data. What was your data? 21,000. As I told you, you have to minus that 1,000. 21 minus 1, it is 20,000. Now, after calculating 5%, how much you got? 1,000. I'll go back. After calculating this 5%, you got 1,000. That 1,000, you have to minus. Your final answer is 21 minus 1, 20,000 minus 1, it is 19,000. This 20 is about motor car, not bad debts. That is motor car. Clear? 21,000. We have two 1,000 and 1,000. Both the 1,000 and 1,000 you have to minus. Clear? So your answer is 19,000. Hope you are clear. So please take screenshot of each and everything. I'll show you the slides. Yeah. This is your question with all the information. Please take screenshot. So these are the adjustment with trading account. These are your P&L account. As I told you, I have to mention to and by. This is your balance sheet. It is not complete balance sheet. In the next slide also you have balance sheet. This is the final step of your balance sheet. So this is all about your today's session. We did 2 extra adjustments in today's session. So almost 99% we covered all kind of adjustments in your financial statement too. In the next session, we'll come up with one more problem. In that, better without marking any hint, we'll solve the problem directly. Thank you. Learn concept and earn marks.